Hi there, I want to show you a technique to create a mood board, or a moon board if you're so inclined, um, rather than just using paste embedded. I've got a folder here with 6 images, one of which is a gallery. I'm just going to select all of them and click open, so all the images open automatically. Right. So what we've got here, this is just a picture of a gallery wall. I want to replace the images in it. To do this, let's just zoom in. We'll start on the middle one because why not? I'm going to get on my selection tools, right click it and choose polygonal lasso tool. And I'm just going to select carefully by left clicking and left clicking the points of the corner until we make a complete path and we've got a selection. Then I'm going to select one of my images and just do Control A to select it and Control C to copy. So we can either do select all and then edit, copy. Once we've got it all selected, I'm going to go back to this image which has still got the selection in. Let's just make a new layer in case, and I'm going to go edit, paste special, and then paste into. And what this is going to do, it's going to paste it in and mask it to the area of the selection. Let's edit, paste special, paste into, and you'll see the image arrive in there. Now it's obviously a bit smaller than the existing one, so I'm going to scale this up by holding Alt and grabbing it from a corner, and you'll see it doesn't go beyond the borders of the frame. So I'm just going to move it into place, and once I'm happy with it, just click the tick button, and there we go. And you see what it's done here is it's created its own mask automatically. So let's do a few more. Let's select this one here using the polygonal lasso tool. I'm using this tool rather than a different way of selecting it because they're nice straight edges and it makes it easier. So let's pick our next picture. Do Control A to select all, Control C, click back to the tab, edit, paste special, paste into. Obviously paste outside will do it everywhere apart from that. I think paste in place just puts it in exactly the same position. So paste into, transform tool, hold down Alt to scale it up a bit. Sid James sat on a bike. Let's select this one over here. Clicking round. Got that one selected, and next picture, Control A, Control C, click back on the original one, edit, paste special, paste into, and I'm going to hold down Alt to scale it up. Doesn't really fit very well. Let's frame out Carrie Fisher because she doesn't fit in that one. Next picture, Control A to select all, Control C to copy, click back on this one. Ooh, an oval one. That's a challenge. Can we do an oval? Let's have a go. Instead of using the polygonal lasso tool, I'm going to try using the ellipse marquee tool. So I think I'm going to left click here-ish. Oh, challenging. Now with the marquee tool, if you hold down the shift button, you can move the selected I'm holding down the shift button. This is a challenging extension task is what we have here. Oh, let's try and transform it a bit. Oh, that's not having any of it. Yeah, we're just gonna have to go with that, but we've made a selection. Have we selected that one? We've got that selected, and let's go edit, paste special, paste into. Oh, well, that didn't work. Control Z. Right. Let's try again. Edit, paste special, paste into. Oh, I think it had worked. Let's just scale it up. Yeah, it has worked. There we go. And we can even rotate that round a shade. I'm just going to have to fudge it a little bit. No, we can leave it down. That's fine. A little bit more challenging on an oval one, especially as it's an oval which has got some perspective on it. Don't bother trying the oval one. Let's do one last one. Let's do this little horse. Let's do this one over here. That's a strange painting. Right, let's polygonal lasso tool. Lasso tool. Oh, click, and we'll select that picture. Control A to select all. Control C to copy. Edit, paste special, paste into. And then I'm going to scale it up holding Alt so it scales from the center. Perfect. Great, we'll leave it there. Thank you for watching.